Hi, today we're going to be taking a review look at the Creme Brulee torch stick. I don't know if this comes in any other designs or colors. I'm not really sure what this one's called. For me, I'm just going to call it the Patriot. Or the USA or American. Why? Because there's no website, which is a little... It's BS. I mean, it's a bummer. I mean, like, I don't get why these companies, they want to make these products, which, some of them's actually a pretty good product, but they don't want to put their name out there for people to find out about them, see what other products they want, buy the products, and the company's like, hey, Johnson, how many of those did we sold? Oh, hey, boss, we only sold one. 1,000? Nope. 100 units? Nope. What do you mean one? We only sold, like, actually one. So let's say if, like, a unit is, like, 50 of these in a box, and that's one unit. They're like, oh, so one. We sold, all 50 of them, one unit, right? Nope, we only sold one out of the whole entire box. Well, what's going on with our marketing strategy? I don't know, how about, advertising say, hey, you like this product? It's a good product, huh? Go to www.wellthisproduct'scalled.com, Oh, here's our phone number. You like our product? Well, that's nice. Hey, maybe we'll send you something, Well, they probably won't, but you know what I mean. I hate when companies, they make a product, but there's no information on the product. There's not a direct website to the product, which is BS and garbage. I mean, the product could be fantastic, awesome. Like, definitely you're getting the most bang for your buck, and what you pay for is what you get, It's like top-notch gear and products and stuff, but there's no way to find out about the company, the features about the product, what other colors, models, designs, other products that company makes, develops, and sells. It kind of falls on the company to go under foreclosure and close down because they don't know how to market their product. So yeah, anyway, so this thing, I think it was like 12 to 15 bucks over at Menards. It was pricey. It's one of my priciest lighters besides, like a pipe slash cigar lighter. But, for one of these, it's pricey. So, yes, it is refillable. You can take a can of butane, refill it up. Here's the button to turn it on. As you can see right here. There is a lock button right there. A flame adjustment right there. And it includes a bottle opener. So like I said, which let me get the camera to focus a little bit more. So bottle opener, you got your bottle opener, safety lock right there. There's a lock on and a kit stand, which is right here. So there's your kit stand. Now here's the funny thing. The body's made out of plastic. The audio also is made out of plastic, right? Now right here where the fire comes out, this little web part, metal. What's attached to it? The kit stand. The kit stand is made out of plastic. Why? Why wouldn't you make the kit stand out of metal like this? But can it stand? Yeah. Now about that safety lock, this thing you can actually turn it on, engage the safety lock, and look, I'm now holding it down and use the kit stand. Now, you do have to push upwards. And so, to disengage the safety, once it's on, like how they're showing right here in the flame and torch mode, go up, then switch it to the unlock. Because if you have it on and locked, like this, yeah, it's not going to unlock until you actually push up and then you unlocked it. So, that. So why would you want to have it locked like that? Only thing that I could guess is a cheap soldering tool. What I kind of like to use it for, lighting the barbecue grill. If you use charcoal, and a charcoal chimney, this thing, wow, it does wonders for it. Because this is like the best thing to like your charcoal grill right here. And of course, gets a little too hot. Kit stand. Grab a cold one. Pop it open. Yeah. It's like the perfect little barbecue lighter. Only things I don't like about it is, kit stand being made out of plastic. I would have changed it to metal. There's no way to get a hold of the company to see what price they have. That's a real letdown. But does the product work? Yeah, 100%. It works. It's great. It's just that, you can't find out any more information about the company, unfortunately. No website on there and stuff. But yeah, definitely. So you could set it down like this, and it does well a little bit. If you want to, you could stand it up like this. If you ever watch a show called Gundam, well, it's not really a show, there is different series of the show. This kind of looks almost like a Gundam beam saber. And if you're like, what's a Gundam beam saber? Pretty much think of it as a big giant Star Wars lightsaber for a mechanical robot. So, Star Gundams, or Gundam Star Sabers, whatever you want to call it. That's kind of what this thing looks like. The way how you hold it, the way how the fire comes out. Oh, I love it, bud. Yeah. So that has been the review on this Blue Torch. What is it? Turbo Blue Torch Stick. So yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.